Good afternoon. Welcome to Microbiotics live show. This is the Microbiotics lab. As promised in the last write-up that I did, I said talk about probiotics and see what we can actually tell each other about it. As defined in that write-up, I said probiotics are live organisms or live microorganisms which, when taken in administered amounts, confer health benefits on the host. So we are literally talking about ingesting microorganisms. Yes, we're talking about taking some of them in so that you can get some health benefits from them. That may sound unusual, but if you remember one of the things we talked about under microbiota, it's a write-up I made a long time ago. We realized that already most of our bodies are already colonized by organisms that are beneficial to our systems. So the idea of taking in organisms that are beneficial that would be beneficial to our system is not actually as unusual as it may sound. So, of course, maybe subsequent write-ups list the benefit. I've already listed some benefits. You can even go online to check them, but I've listed some benefits out of this probiotics. So, what I want to do now is to kind of relate it to our environment, the Nigerian environment. What are the common foods, common available food that we can actually take to have the probiotics within us, at least. One of them that I mentioned in the previous article was yogurt. Of course, yogurt is probably the most common probiotics, even not only around here, but even in other places as well. Yogurts contain a large number of beneficial microorganisms, especially of the lactobacillus species. So we have yogurt. Then we have other products as well. Let's say milk products, cheese. Yeah, cheese is another example of foods that contain a lot of probiotics. When you're taking cheese, you're taking the products of fermentation, and all these organisms that are beneficial to us are also present there. Then there's a common food that most people kind of overlook. That is pap. Of course, ogi in local dialect. Pap contains a lot. In fact, I think it contains more probiotics than, especially the raw ones. One of the issues we have concerning probiotics is that sometimes some of these organisms can be killed during preparation. So most of the time, ogi or pap, before you prepare them, contains more probiotics than when you've already prepared them. The high temperature of preparation of pap makes it more or less unideal to be called a full probiotics. Unlike yogurt, you don't need to cook anything. You just have to just provide whatever it is you need. You refrigerate, you prepare the milk, and after that you just take them in, and then you have some live microbes within you that can solve really lot of problems. I'll be releasing an article maybe today or tomorrow that we're going to focus on how these probiotics, how they work, and by then you actually will have developed some interest in actually taking in one or two microbes later in the future. Thank you.